Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to change the batteries of your Kwikset code lock. So of course we're going to be doing this on the back side of your door. And the first thing we need to do is take off this piece. So there's a screw right here as well as on the other side. And all you need to do is get a little Phillips head screwdriver. You can take out those two screws, one on each side. And once those screws are out, you can just pop this right off and that's going to expose the internals. And at this point, you might be wondering where the batteries are located. It's pretty simple. They slide right in to the top area up here, so we can grab this little arm at the top and we just simply pull the battery door out. We flip it around and we can see we have 4 AA batteries in this area. So if your batteries are low, you can take these out, swap them, put in new ones, and then it's really simple. You just flip it back around and slide the battery case right in to the top, and that's going to bring power back to our lock. And your lock's going to let you know when your batteries are low. When you enter in a code and you have a low battery situation, it will flash red lights and make an audible beep sound that'll be different than what you're normally used to when entering a code to unlock your door. That's how I got the warning indicator that I needed to change my batteries. And you don't have to change these batteries all that often. My first set of batteries probably lasted maybe 3 or 4 or so years before I had to swap out and make my first change of batteries. So it's not something that you're gonna have to do all that often, but it will also depend on how often you're using the lock opening and closing it. But once you put the batteries back in, we can put this door back on and then put those 2 screws back in the sides here and you should be good to go.